Hello students, now question is find out enantiomers and diastereomers following compounds. Find out enantiomers and diastereomers given structures. Out of these three, out of these three structures, which one is enantiomers and which one is diastereomers? Which one two pairs are enantiomers, which two pairs are diastereomers? So now take the example in structure 1. What is the condition for enantiomers? Compulsory chiral center should be required. Chiral center should be required. So now here in first structure here one chiral center is there. Why? Because of chiral center means what? Carbon surrounding four different groups are there. That compound is chiral carbon. So here this carbon surrounding one hydrogen is there, one bromine is there, one methyl group is there. Complete this one group. This complete this one act as one group. So this carbon surrounding four different groups are there. So it is also one chiral center and chiral carbon, and second one also chiral center. This is also one chiral carbon. So here in this first structure two chiral centers are there. Two chiral center or two chiral carbons are there. So here in second structure also two chiral centers are there. This is also one chiral center, this is also one chiral center. This carbon surrounding four different groups are there. So Br, CH3, H, this complete one group also. So both 1, 2, 3 all structures are having chiral structures. So now find out the pairs, first one and second one. Which of the following pairs are enantiomers and diastereomers? Now structure 1, structure 2, find out the enantiomers. So here this carbon in first structure, the bromine present on right hand side, and second structure bromine presents on left hand side. So both are mirror images to each other. This bromine present on right hand side and this act as mirror, this is act as mirror, and in second structure bromine present on left hand side. So here these both are present on opposite side. So here these both are mirror images to each other. So this is first compound is mirror images. And what about third carbon? This is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. And here this second chiral, the second chiral center, one chlorine is present on right hand side. In second structure chlorine present on left hand side. So here both are mirror images to each other. This act as mirror. These both are mirror images. These both two chlorines are mirror images and two bromines are mirror images. So this is first structure 1 and structure 2. And structure 1 and structure 2 both are enantiomers. Both are enantiomers. So students, this is simple trick. So both are mirror image to each other. So how to identify that is mirror images or not? So this bromine present on right hand side. In second structure bromine present on left hand side. So these both are superimposable and non-mirror images. So this is called enantiomer. Enantiomers means whatever that is, which are compound having optically active and non-superimposable mirror images called enantiomers. So these structure 1 and structure 2 are both are enantiomers. What about structure 2 and structure 3? In structure 2 bromine present on left hand side. So here also in structure 3 bromine present on left hand side. Both are same, so does not change. In structure 2 and structure 3 bromine, in structure 2 bromine present on left hand side. In structure 3 bromine present on left hand side. So bromine does not change. So that's why the structure 2 and structure 3 both are diastereomers. Diastereomers. So see what is the condition for diastereomers, students? That is diastereomers mean which are not mirror images. Which are not mirror images of each other is called diastereomers. So in structure 2 and structure 3 bromines are does not change on chiral center. So these bromines are does not change. In chiral in structure 2 bromine present on left hand side. In structure 3 bromine present on left hand side. These both are act as this middle line, they act as mirror. This bromine is does not change in structure 2 and structure 3. What is the difference here? Both are does not change. Bromine present on left hand side. In structure 3 also bromine present on left hand side. So that's why these two are not mirror images. So that's why this is called diastereomers. Structure 2 and structure 3 also diastereomers. What about structure 1 and structure 3? Structure 1 and structure 3. Structure 1 and structure 3, what about the diastereomers or enantiomers? In structure 1 bromine present on right hand side. In structure 3 bromine present on left hand side, but these both are mirror image. And what about this next chiral center? In next chiral carbon chlorine, in structure 1 chlorine present on right hand side. In structure 3 chlorine present on right hand side. These both are not mirror images. In structure 1 and structure 3, students, structure 1 and structure 3, both chlorines are present on same side. In structure 1, in structure 1, second chiral carbon, chlorine present on right hand side. In structure 3, second chiral center, chlorine present on right hand side. Both are same side. These both chlorines are not mirror images. Structure 1 and structure 3. And structure 1 and structure 3, both structures are not mirror images. So that's why this is also diastereomers. So diastereomers means, student, not mirror images of each other is called diastereomers. Enantiomers means both are mirror images, non superimposable is called enantiomer. This is the simple trick for how to identify enantiomer and diastereomer, student. If you like my video, please like and comment. Thank you.